Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the live chat feature on the Shell application to ask for details and inquiries. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the account button down below on the left side, on the right side corner of the page, and then click on help, which is the fourth option. Here you can use the live chat feature at the bottom of the page, so tap on it, and here you can type in your message, whatever you would like to ask for. And then they will reply to you in a few seconds. If you would like to, you can also send an attachment or a picture. Here you can tap on this file button and send a document or a picture from your gallery. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.